Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make crispy potato balls. Take one potato or according to your need. Shred the potato properly. Add the shredded potato into the bowl. Now add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Leave it for 15 minutes. After that, squeeze all the water. Transfer into dry bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons corn flour, 1/2 teaspoon paprika powder, 1/2 black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes. Combine all these ingredients well. Now make small balls. After making balls, leave it for 2 minutes. Take a frying pan. Pour oil in it and heat it on medium flame. Now add one by one and careful. Fry them until their color turns golden brown and they are cooked properly. Comment your favorite dish. At this point, switch off the flame. Ready to eat.